A common question that comes up to us is, what dielectric fluid do I use in my sinker? Our common response is, use a full synthetic oil. You'll have a semi-synthetic and a full synthetic. Semi-synthetic oil we shy away from today due to the fact that it has a limited service life. That being, at about 3 years it begins to degrade, and that degradation of the oil begins from the minute you pour it into the work tank. At 3 years, skin irritation will become more pronounced. It may cause a rash, and it will begin to have its own distinct odor. Full synthetic oil does not develop an odor. It typically will not cause any rash, but this is dependent upon every individual's physiological makeup. But normally, skin rashes do not occur. It does not get the odor, as I said, but most importantly, it does not degrade. So, the semi-synthetic oil, while it will need to be changed out, normally in that 4-year period, customers do extend it out beyond that, but the degradation continues after that 4-year period at a rapid rate, which means the flash point gets lower, its evaporation rate gets higher, skin irritation becomes worse, a whole host of items take place, as well as the fact it will not burn as effectively. Full synthetic loses none of its properties, has less health issues with it, maintains its flash point, and over the long term, because you'll only replenish it and not replace it, is more cost effective. That's why we recommend always use a full synthetic oil for your dielectric fluid.